In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set shipping for variables on Etsy desktop. We'll walk through the exact screens inside the Etsy listing editor so you can set clear, reliable shipping for items that may vary in size or weight, and then save those settings as a reusable delivery profile. Start by opening Etsy on desktop and heading to your shop manager. On the left sidebar, open the List or Listings section and choose Add a Listing. Once your draft listing opens, switch over to the Pricing and Delivery tab. This is where all of your shipping details live. In the Delivery, Processing, and Returns area, review the basics that shoppers see at checkout. Select a processing profile next. A processing profile controls how long it takes you to make, pack, or prep each order before shipping. Pick the profile that best reflects your typical turnaround time. Adjust the ready-to-dispatch time frame if needed. Being realistic here helps you avoid late shipments and sets the right expectations for buyers. Under Delivery Options, choose the most accurate method for this item and click Create option to build the details. Set your postage prices thoughtfully. If some variations are heavier or bulkier, price for the heaviest scenario or create separate profiles you can apply per listing so each variation is covered accurately. Enter your origin postal code so Etsy can estimate delivery times and taxes correctly. Decide which countries you'll deliver to domestic only, specific regions, or worldwide based on your packaging, carrier availability, and cost. Choose your delivery services to match the speed and tracking you plan to provide. If you offer free delivery, toggle that on. Consider building some shipping cost into your item price so your margins stay healthy. When everything looks right, save it as a delivery profile. This lets you reuse the same settings on future listings without rebuilding them. Finally, save as profile and apply so the shipping you just configured is attached to this listing. That's it. Your listing now has clear, consistent shipping settings suitable for variable items, and you've got a reusable profile to keep future listings fast and accurate.